Hey guys, today's video is going to be a little bit different from what I usually film. The reason is I got these awesome organizers and I just wanted to reorganize my eyeshadow palettes and see what I have, basically just sort them into here. Really take you on a ride with me, you guys, because I tend to enjoy videos like that and you guys probably do too. So I figured instead of me just doing it on my own, how about I just do it on camera and have you guys see me organize my eyeshadow palettes into this awesome organizer. So I got this organizer from Etsy. It's by the Cosmetics Archive. They just do organizers for specifically Alex drawers, which is awesome because you know it's going to fit perfectly in there. You guys, if you're curious, I actually ended up making my own little palette organizer specifically for Alex drawer a year ago. And so if you're curious to see that video, it's very budget friendly. I will link it down below. And also if you're curious about these organizers, I will link the Etsy shop in the description box also, just in case any of you have the Alex drawer and are looking for an organizer that is specifically made for that unit. They have like organizers for every single makeup product you can think of in there. Let me just take it out and get started before this video gets too long. Yeah, it's going to fit perfectly in there, you guys. So let's get these palettes out. You've seen this whole collection before. I've actually gained a few more since I filmed this video. I am so bad. Palettes is my weakness, you guys. Palettes is like #1 makeup product that I really enjoy. And it sucks that I have hooded eyelids because I feel like if I didn't, I would be really experimenting with my eyeshadow looks and enjoying it even more. Well, maybe it's a good thing. Oh, this needs to be wiped. Alright guys, the moment of truth. It does have just a tiny bit of a wiggle room, so that's good. It's not like super tight in there. And in the back, I do have a little bit of space. So if anything, I can just pull it back and have some of my palettes sit here in front. Or I can do the opposite and have some of my palettes sit in the back. Alright, let's just start organizing everything. And I will probably be silent for it. I might even speed it up because hopefully this video is not going to get super crazy long. Alright, let me just get to it. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you later. Bye!